In this episode of i-Techie, we have the much-awaited lowdown on the upcoming Windows 7 and a whole bunch of grooming gadgets for men, all coming up.
Looking good is tantamount to feeling good. And a gentleman always needs to look his best, whether it's at the workplace, in the evening, or just at home over the weekend. Now, while a weekly trip to the salon might be a costly proposition, our selection of men's grooming gadgets will not only make you look good, but will also fill your cravings for surrounding yourself with high-tech circuitry. That's all coming up on Motor Skills. While we may be tempted to call it a multi-oral hygiene power solution, it is actually a very powerful motorized toothbrush with a host of useful functions. It's called the Philips Sonicare Elite E9500 Custom Care Toothbrush. Now, once you get over the name, you will be fascinated with all the very cool functions it has that you never knew a toothbrush needed.
The brush produces 31,000 bristle sweeps per minute, which not only obliterates all the harmful deposits in your teeth, it even removes harmful plaque bacteria up to 4 millimeters beyond the bristle tips, even below the gum line.
The high-speed bristle motion with extra-wide sweeping arc creates effective but gentle, dynamic fluid cleaning. With this combination of vibrations and sonic pulses, your robot-cleaned mouth is sure to smell like a bouquet of fresh flowers. And it's available at shopping.com for $120.
If you work in a corporate environment and need the closest shave every morning, and your inner techie compels you to have the most sophisticated shaving solution at hand, then we have a fantastic gadget for you.
And while you may rev your car up to 6,000 RPM, your shaver will still deliver only 13,000 rotations per minute. The ES8077S Vortex Linear Series shaver from Panasonic is a phenomenal piece of engineering that will not slow itself, even when confronted with the bushiest of beards.
If that doesn't impress you, then maybe the magnetic linear propulsion, or the counter-directional inner blades, or the floating triple blade will. The blade cleans using sophisticated technology that turns the blades at 17,000 RPM. And the best part is that the shaver is fully submersible, meaning you can shave while you shower. This is a must for every techie who likes to look smart, and it only costs $90 at shopping.com, which is a proper bargain.
If you find that late nights are a regular part of your routine, and you like to stay up watching just one more episode of your favorite sitcom, then you may find that it's really hard to get to the office the next day on time. One way to multitask and save time in the washroom is to shave and brush your teeth while you shower.
However, the blast of steam from the shower is enough to fog the mirrors and render them unusable till you are able to finish showering and actually wipe them dry. Unlike conventional mirrors, the fog-free shower mirror makes your life simpler by letting you shave, shower, and admire your glorious self in the process.
Besides, shaving while your skin is moist and warm means a closer shave with greater smoothness and less irritation. On a busy day, this could mean the difference between looking sharp or shabby at the 9 a.m. meeting. The mirror sticks to the tiles on your shower wall using suction cups, and it's made by Zadro, who apparently make great fogless mirrors. It's available at shopbig.com for just $30.
It should be your fingers that tickle your children when you kiss them goodnight, and not your nose hair. But not every man likes to go to the salon and risk being seen by his friends getting his eyebrows done or his nose hair trimmed. Philips Norelco brings us this quality ear, nose and eyebrow trimmer.
It's not only one of the best products on the market, but it also doesn't subscribe to the age-old cliché of no pain, no gain. Instead of yanking out your hair from the roots, it simply cuts it short.
might be looking forward to a big night out on the town. You get ready in the evening, you're showered, shaved, your shoes are nicely polished. As you step outside of the house to wait for your lovely friend who will be accompanying you to the party, you wonder, is my breath sweet and fresh? Well, there's one way to tell. You whip out the Seiju Kiss Me Meter Breath Odor Detector. It tells you how bad or good your breath smells. It's a phenomenal gadget in a world without toothbrushes, chewing gum, mouthwash, or any other breath freshening solution available in the market. Not only is the function a bit redundant, but would anyone really want to be seen with one of these? If you do, you can shell out $30 on Amazon.com.